Today, I have the perfect dessert after a spicy meal, a guava strawberry creamsicle. Now, let's get jamming in the kitchen. First up, let's add our 4 ounces of guava pulp, 2 ounces of strawberry pulp. I'm gonna add our condensed milk now. The condensed milk adds to the creaminess of our pop, but also to the sweetness level. This lime juice is not only gonna make our fruit flavors pop, but have those flavors dazzle our taste buds. Come on, let's give it all a good shake. Now let's pour this creamy goodness into our popsicle mold. Let's pop these babies into the freezer and freeze until completely solid. This is really good. At first taste, you get the guava really coming through. You get a hint of strawberry. The lime brighten the flavors of the guava and the strawberry. This is a nice finish to a spicy meal.